People often eat bananas during sports because they're a quick, effective source of energy and nutrients. Here's why they're popular among athletes. First, bananas are rich in carbohydrates for energy. They contain natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, along with carbohydrates, which are quickly absorbed by the body and provide a fast source of energy during physical activity. The carbs in bananas are a mix of simple and complex sugars, giving both immediate and sustained energy boosts. Second, bananas are high in potassium. Potassium is an essential electrolyte that helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle function. During intense exercise, potassium is lost through sweat, and bananas are an easy way to replenish it. Potassium also supports cardiovascular health, which is crucial for maintaining stamina and strength during exercise. Vitamin B6 in bananas helps with protein metabolism and the production of neurotransmitters, both of which are vital for energy regulation and muscle recovery. Bananas are gentle on the stomach and can be eaten quickly without causing discomfort, unlike some other snacks that might be hard to digest during intense activity. Because of their nutrient profile, bananas serve as a natural sports fuel, making them a go-to snack for athletes looking to maintain energy levels and reduce the risk of cramps during and after sports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational and informative videos.